Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cortese channel. Sorry for not uploading for a little bit. I know we haven't been on our regular schedule recently. We've been just going through the vibes of bringing in the new year. Hasn't been off to the greatest start, but we're gonna keep going strong. We're gonna get back on our regular schedule as normal. Today, we're actually going to be installing a brand new wheel on the Honda Civic that you guys have been patiently waiting for. So, Jay just handed me the wheel. Let me unbox it for you guys. Take a little bite of my banana. Ooh.
Mugen power.
Mugen power. Got the red stitching to match the color of the car. But yeah, gonna attach this bad boy and show you guys the whole installation process and how to get it done.
Alrighty, I'm gonna try to teach Mick how to install a steering wheel today. Alright, what do you think is step one, Mick?
First step is to remove the one that's already in there.
Correct. Alright, so we're gonna need a Phillips head. I think there's one on the floor over there.
I got Phillips. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Is that all we need? Alright, cool.
Alright, so now there's 3 screws behind the steering wheel. Yeah, get in there, mate. There you go.
I'm going deep, boys.
Going deep today.
Got 3 screws. Oh, it's cracked down here.
Yeah, there's one on each spoke.
Hey, this man put me to work, yo. Mark, I'm doing your job, dog. This is for your pops.
Get over here, man.
We need you up here, man.
Oh.
Got it. All right. Got one.
All right, one.
Boom, one down. Okay, this thing about to fall on me.
No, I'm holding it. Don't worry.
All right, so step 1. Remove back screws from the current wheel.
3.
Boom.
Boom.
All 3 down.
All 3 down.
All right, step 2. What's step 2?
Center the steering wheel. All right, so on a normal car, this would be an airbag.
All right.
So on a normal car, you'd want to disconnect the battery so the airbag doesn't blow up in your face. But this car doesn't have an airbag. So go ahead and pull that off. That's also why we're changing the steering wheel, because there's no worry about airbags. So you're gonna unplug that connector in there.
How so?
That activates the horn.
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Easy money.
Look at that. Okay, now we need to take this nut off. So here's the important part. Once you take this nut off, straight is wherever you put it. So the way a steering shaft works is there's splines. And so you could like rotate it. Actually, I'll show you on this window. When you take this off, it's splined like that, right? So the steering wheel, if you put the steering wheel on crooked, the car's gonna drive crooked. But if you put the steering wheel on straight, it's gonna drive straight. So now, once we remove this nut, it's important to not move the wheel so we keep center.
Gotcha.
Right? Okay, so we're gonna find a socket that's big enough for that. So let's go find one of those. Thinking a 19 maybe? One of these guys?
Dang, that's perfect.
Perfect? Awesome.
Yeah, we're breaking out the impact gun because that thing is lodged in there. Impact gun is going to do all the work for us.
Remove thyself.
Wow.
That was quite easy. Should have just started with that.
Dang, too easy.
All right, let's go look at our new parts, man.
There's more new parts?
Yeah, there is.
What do we got?
So we have our new NRG short hub. Cool. And then our Works Bell quick release. This allows you to act like you're a race car driver and take the steering wheel off. But it's actually because we have bucket seats and the car doesn't have an alarm, so you can take the wheel with you. First is this hub. So now, carefully jiggle the steering wheel off. All right. Now, this mark right here is your center. So you want to try to line it up. Now we're gonna take our nut. Here you go, start threading that on.
We just put the hub adapter on. We aligned it centered with the wheel. So we're screwing the nut back onto the steering shaft.
You could drive like that if you wanted. You could drive with a wrench on your...
Jeez.
That's pretty solid, mate. Torque it down to spec, but our spec is tight, you know? Yeah, always make sure your parts are torqued down to spec.
All right.
Alrighty. Next up is our quick release. So go ahead and unlock the steering column again. So this is the real deal Works Bell quick release. None of that NRG knockoff stuff. So do you remember how a quick release works? You press down this button and then you pull this collar over it. There you go. All right, so now that guy, this is your top. So let me figure out how this horn is gonna work. Do we want to expand it or do we just want to say there's no horn? Yeah, no horn, I think. Yeah, I just don't think we're gonna have a horn, which is fine, because no cars ever have horns. No cars with a quick release, at least. Okay, we're just gonna tape them off and put them to the side for now. Probably not gonna use the horn.
So verdict is no horn on the Civic.
For now, until I'm
For now.
It goes on like so, and lines up with those holes. And something to know is Cool Guy's Titan and Star pattern.
Oh, I know.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
so
know.
make sure you tighten in star pattern. You're not cool if you don't tighten in star pattern.
My dad taught me that.
And then where's the female end to the quick release? Where'd you put it? Because oh, it's right there. There you go. All right, so now this guy should line up something like so. Hold that guy.
Oh, we have red.
We have red hardware. For now we do.
Hey, we got a sticker.
Oh, sweet. Shout out US Performance Lab. Yo, the red hardware is actually kind of dope.
It's kind of nice.
I thought it was going to be a little
Hold it up. There you
I
go.
thought it was going to be a little too ricey, but it's actually kind of cool. There's that last screw. Nice. Yeah, I'm actually kind of digging the red hardware, man.
Looks good.
Last but not least, the good old horn button. Mugen power. It's actually a Momo wheel, which is kind of cool.
All right, snap that thing on. Final touches.
Final touches. I'm still plugging it in, even though it's not going to do anything. There we go.
Nice. Damn, that thing looks good. This hardware matches the exact color of the.
It actually does, doesn't it?
Finally got the steering wheel on. This thing feels nice.
You can pull it off. It's on a quick release. There you go.
All right. Awesome.
Looks good.
So, successfully installed the new Mugen wheel on the Civic. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of us installing this wheel. And more to come with the Civic. It's almost done. Stay tuned. TZ on me, TZ on 3. 1, 2, 3. TZ. Peace, y'all.